Did you know that the cinnamon stick sitting in your spice rack has been used for thousands of years, not just to flavor food, but also as a medicine, a preservative, and even as an embalming agent in ancient Egypt? While we tend to think of spices as simple ingredients for our favorite dishes, the truth is they have a fascinating history of multifaceted use, many of which are still relevant today, just waiting to be rediscovered in your own home. It's easy to overlook the humble kitchen spice. When we hear the word spice, our minds often leap straight to the aroma of simmering curries, freshly baked cookies, or savory roasts. Yet, the story of spices is much richer and more versatile than mere flavoring. Imagine opening your spice drawer and seeing not just ingredients for your next meal, but a toolkit of natural remedies, cleaning solutions, and beauty treatments, all accessible with a simple twist of the jar. Let's challenge a common misconception: that spices belong solely in the kitchen, destined only to add flavor to our food. In reality, these botanical wonders have been prized across cultures and centuries for their potent properties, many of which extend far beyond taste. By thinking of spices as more than just seasonings, you open the door to a world of creative, sustainable, and health-enhancing possibilities. So, what exactly can you do with those spices, besides cooking? Let's start with health benefits. Take ginger, for example. While it's fantastic grated into stir-fries or steeped in tea, ginger has also been used for ages as a natural remedy for nausea, digestive issues, and inflammation. Simply steeping a few slices in hot water makes a soothing tonic for upset stomachs, while a ginger compress can help ease sore muscles. Cinnamon, another kitchen staple, is well known for its ability to add warmth and sweetness to baked goods. But did you know that cinnamon has antimicrobial properties? You can make a simple cinnamon mouth rinse to help freshen breath and support oral health. Just infuse a cinnamon stick in boiling water, let it cool, and use it as a natural mouthwash. This same quality makes cinnamon a useful addition to homemade cleaning sprays, lending both its scent and its germ-fighting power to your chores. Cloves are another spice with a long history of alternative use. Beyond their warm, spicy flavor in desserts and mulled drinks, cloves have natural analgesic and antiseptic qualities. In fact, clove oil is a time-tested home remedy for toothaches. Dabbing a little diluted clove oil on a sore tooth can help numb pain until you're able to see a dentist. Always remember to dilute essential oils and consult with a healthcare provider before using them therapeutically. Now, let's talk about natural cleaning solutions. Many kitchen spices are potent allies in your quest for a cleaner, greener home. For example, dried rosemary or thyme can be infused in vinegar to create a fragrant, non-toxic, all-purpose cleaner. Both herbs have mild antibacterial properties, making them ideal for wiping down countertops, sinks, or even spritzing on cutting boards. Add a few drops of lemon essential oil or zest for an extra boost of freshness. Peppercorns, while best known for spicing up savory dishes, can also be used to deter pests. Sprinkle ground black pepper around areas where you spot ants or other insects. Many bugs dislike the scent and will steer clear. Similarly, bay leaves tucked into pantry shelves can help ward off weevils and other unwanted critters, all without the need for harsh chemical repellents. But the versatility of kitchen spices doesn't stop at health and home maintenance. They can be wonderful additions to your DIY beauty routine as well. For instance, nutmeg has gentle exfoliating properties that can help brighten and smooth the skin. Try making a simple face scrub by mixing a pinch of ground nutmeg with honey and a few drops of milk. Apply it gently in circular motions, then rinse with warm water for a refreshed complexion. Perhaps one of the most surprising and creative uses of a kitchen spice is turmeric for skin health. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. In many cultures, it's used as a key ingredient in beauty rituals to promote glowing, healthy skin. A classic DIY turmeric face mask can be made by mixing turmeric powder with yogurt and a bit of honey. Apply it to your face, leave on for about 10 minutes, then rinse off. The result is a natural glow and a boost in skin clarity. Just be careful. Turmeric's vibrant yellow can temporarily stain the skin or clothing, so use it sparingly and rinse thoroughly. Spices can also freshen your home environment. Simmering a pot of water with orange peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves creates a natural air freshener that rivals any commercial product, without synthetic fragrances. Cardamom pods, when added to coffee or tea, not only enhance the flavor, but can also help with bad breath and aid digestion. Don't forget about the mood-boosting potential of spices. The scent of vanilla has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Simply placing a few vanilla beans in a jar of sugar infuses the sugar with a wonderful aroma. But you can also simmer a vanilla bean in water for a calming, sweet-scented environment, even without baking a thing. Let's recap some of the alternative uses we've discussed. Ginger and cinnamon for natural health remedies, cloves for oral care, rosemary and thyme for eco-friendly cleaning, black pepper and bay leaves as pest deterrents, nutmeg and turmeric for DIY skincare, and even vanilla for stress relief. All of these solutions are simple, natural, and cost-effective, making them easy to incorporate into your daily routine. By exploring the many alternative uses of kitchen spices, you not only get more value from what you already have at home, but you also reduce your reliance on synthetic chemicals and commercial products. Making the most of your spice rack is a way to connect with traditions from around the world. Tap into time-tested remedies and add a touch of creativity to everyday tasks. So the next time you reach for a spice jar, ask yourself, what else can this do? Whether you're looking for a soothing remedy, a natural cleaner, or a beauty boost, your kitchen spices are ready to step in and surprise you. If you found these tips helpful and want to discover even more creative ways to make your everyday life healthier and more sustainable, don't forget to subscribe for more insights, tips, and inspiration. There's a world of possibilities right at your fingertips. Sometimes they're just hiding in your spice rack, waiting to be discovered.